there was an angel sitting in the tomb. The angel said, Mary, he's no longer here. He's no longer here. But there is something else I want you to talk about. I want to share to you. Then Simon Peter arrived, and when he sight, he also noticed the little refuge lying there, where the cloth that has covered Jesus' head was folded up and lying in the side. I believe some of us heard before. In the custom of those people in the East, when you finish eating, if you like the waitress, the person that comes and serves the food, if you like the way she serves you, the napkin that you wipe your hands, you fold it. You fold it. Even you like it, you don't fold it. You pay the person tip. There, if you like the person, you fold the napkin and put it by the plates. He tells the people that you really appreciate the way they serve you. I was reading here. When they went in the tomb, they didn't see Jesus, but they see the clothes that Jesus was wearing folded. What tells me? What does that mean? It tells us that Jesus appreciates dying on the cross. Pastor, what you mean Jesus appreciate? It was not Jesus. It was God that sent him to die for you to live, people. That's why I say, who is in the house that says, I am the sin. I want to believe forever. Jesus appreciate, man. I don't know if anybody in the house can go through that. How can you appreciate when people talk about you? How can you appreciate when people do stuff about your family? How? Okay. Only Jesus. He fold the clothes and put aside. Tells the people. And he's born. He appreciates, even though they went through, even though they throw rocks at him, he appreciated it. Dying on the cross, people. That's why I say it's okay, go through some stuff. It's okay. Let it be a joyful. Be joy. Why, Pastor, why you have joy? Because God is with you all the time. I don't know who I'm talking to, but I know there is somebody in the house that goes through a lot. I know because I went through. Coming in the church, nobody want to shake my hand. I always share this with my wife. Coming in the church, nobody want to shake my hand. Just because the way I smell, just because the way I smell, my friend, the way we have clothes. We see the gap over in the back. The minute we walk in the house, he took off. I sit in the front. I say, why?
Well,
just because the way we do our thing. That's why I say I love the young people. Parents, I love the young people. I want you to get close to the young people because we don't know what they're going through. We don't know. We just talk about the young people. Well, you don't know nothing yet until you have your kids and then you know what that means. You don't know yet. You don't know. Thank God. He sent his son. He died on the cross. Now I have a chance to live forever. I was saying this before. I can't wait. I can't wait. I can't wait to go. I can't wait. Young people, it's time for you to give your life to the Lord. Yeah. Yeah. Let's see everything. I see God moving in my life. That's why I say, young people, it's okay. It's okay. It's all right. God said His only Son to die on the cross for me to live. I'm talking about myself. And I want you to talk to yourself. God sent His Son for you to live. But I want you to know heaven is not for everybody. Heaven is not for everybody. Heaven is for the people that accept Him in their life. We have a chance. Just live in this world and enjoy living. Just enjoy. I'm not talking about drinking or let's shoot. I did not stop you. Shoot. But I believe there's going to be a time that God will change you. I believe because God changed you. God changed you. God changed you. And everybody in the house. That's why I believe God has a time for you. It's okay. There's going to be a time that God will change your life. It's going to be a time.